Today I'm gonna change the oil and all the filters on my 2001 Golf Mk4 TDI. And this is actually the first time I'm servicing this car myself. Before this I only changed the oil and the oil filter once on my other car, a 2007 Renault Laguna. So yeah, I'm pretty new to this stuff. Hopefully everything goes well. Let's get started. Okay, looks like I need a brake bar. Okay. And that was clean. Okay, while the oil is draining, let's replace the oil filter. Okay, we need a tool. Wow. Actually, I thought the filter should unscrew along with this thing, but okay. Alright, this is done. Now let's install it. Alright, the new filter is installed and the oil has stopped dripping. So now let's reinstall the drain plug. By the way, I've got a new one. It comes with a washer, so let's install it. Alright guys, now let's lower the car and fill it with fresh oil. Welcome back guys, it's a new day. Since yesterday's oil change I have driven the car several times already and everything is fine. There are no leaks, the oil level is fine. So the oil change was successful. That's great. Now let's continue with the service and we'll change the air filter, then the fuel filter. And by the way, I'm not changing the cabin air filter this time because I replaced it recently. Yeah, so let's change the air filter now. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, this is done. Now let's change the fuel filter. To be honest guys, I'm not sure if it's a good idea to change the fuel filter right now because these hoses are not in very good condition and I don't want to damage them. But anyway, I think I'll give it a try and I'll just be very careful. And this is done as well. Of course, I checked for leaks, there are none, all good. In the next video we're gonna install the engine under tray and the engine cover and see if it helps reduce noise in the cabin. I hope it does. Guys, consider subscribing to the channel, a lot of interesting videos are coming up. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, I'll see you soon, peace out.